What's up, my friends? Paul Ingram here, College Center, doing some training right now, getting a little workout in, and I figure I'd share this combination with you that I'm working on. A little bit of a variation from the Seguidas from Paquiti Tertia. It's a little variation here. Sometimes you got to mix things up, explore a little bit, and have some fun. So here's a little combo. Grab your stick and give this a go. Starting off in the backhand side right here, and we're going to strike this all the way out on that horizontal jab, and then we're going to take it down. Then we're going to bring it back up on the vertical. From here, I'm going to thrust it just like this. That's the first half of the combo. So 1, 2, 3, 4 right there. So jab it out, take it down, rip it back up, and then thrust straight out, and then bring it back to your chamber position. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4 right there. Second half of the combination. We're going to go into our 1 and 2 with teaks or abanicos. Then I'm going to do a double vertical drop. Pop, pop right there. And then a hooking thrust right there. So the whole combination. 1, 2, 3, thrust, abanico, abanico, double it up on the vertical, and then a hooking thrust right there. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Once you have it down, throw it into your carenza. Get your solitary free flow moving, and then see where you can plug it in, your combination, and then back into your free flow. All right, have fun with this one, and I'll see you back here for our next combo.